so excited. Starting our travel vlog. Yes, we are going to Paris. I have not been out of the country since COVID. I'm suffering from cabin fever, got to get going. The real reason is to attend a wine tasting event. It's sponsored by American Express. It's going to be in a lovely hotel. We're going to stay, Hotel Lutetia. It's on the left bank, which is neat for me. I usually stay on the right bank, so we're going to be in this beautiful hotel. Anyway, my tip is put everything out on a bed that you think you're going to need. Go to bed. Forget about it, come back the next day, look at your stuff, and get rid of half of it. You do not need that much stuff. Packing light is the way to go. Trust me, thank me later for that tip. It is a good tip and it works. Okay, so this is half of what I had yesterday, and it's gonna see me through. You just make do, you don't need that much stuff. You can always get something cleaned. All right, see you soon. We'll see you in the morning when we're getting ready for the airport. All right. Well, had a 10-hour layover in Dallas, Fort Worth, but found a fabulous lounge. Luckily, 10 hours just flew by. Now we're getting ready to board our overnight flight to Paris. I'll talk to you on board. The adventure begins. Cheers. Hotel is called Hotel Lutetia, and Lutetia was the first name of the city of Paris given by the Romans, which is kind of cool. Please come in and look, we have a beautiful bed, and American Express has gone crazy. How kind of them. We have all these treats, we have champagne, we have flowers, bowl of fruit, these gorgeous pastries, and this ship is chocolate, and it says break me, and there's a little hammer in this beautiful cloche. And of course we have the all-important French balcony. We are in Paris after all, and here we are, and here's our view. Okay, so we just landed a couple of hours ago. We've been walking around, and now we're in a bistro having my favorite thing, an omelet, a salad, some french fries, and of course a gorgeous glass of wine. This is called living. Hey, let's go explore Paris. Come on, let's go. Paris. Well, here we are at the River Seine. The River Seine divides the city of Paris, the right bank, the left bank, Rive Gauche. And behind me here is the Musée d'Orsay, a magnificent building. The space is incredible, unbelievable collection, impressionistic art. It is a very hot day here. It's about 97 degrees here. It's a scorcher, but we're in Paris, so that's all good. I hope that you can see directly behind me is the Eiffle Tower, Tour de Eiffel. Mr. Eiffel, he was also the architect of the Statue of Liberty. You just pull off, start at the end, and dig in. It's fabulous. Champs-Élysées, and directly behind me is the Arc de Triomphe, and that was commissioned by Napoleon. Underneath the Arc today, even Hitler did not march his troops through underneath the Arc. There is a code of honor because there are two
unknown soldiers that are buried underneath the ark. So no one goes through the ark out of respect for the unknown soldiers. One from World War I, one from World War II. But welcome to the Jardin des Tuileries. This is this beautiful, beautiful garden in the middle of the city. You know, we have Central Park in New York. Paris has Jardin des Tuileries. At the end is the world's largest museum, the world's most visited museum, yes, the Louvre, Musée du Louvre. It was the palace. It became the royal palace. Up until Louis XIV, you know, your friend and mine, they gave us so much for etiquette. Well, Louis XIV said, heck no, we're going to Versailles. I'm going to beef up that hunting lodge, and we're all headed to Versailles. So this, after the French Revolution, the Louvre became the museum for the people, where all these great works of art could be seen by the people. Now I am just on the Champs-Élysées, and this is the Grand Palais behind us. Beautiful structure. As you can see, it's under a little bit of construction, but it was built in 1900 for the Universal Exposition, sort of like the World's Fair. Its entire roof is made of steel and glass. It's glass so the sun goes through, so they could have exhibits before electricity. So directly across the street is the Petit Palais, and it is also magnificent. And today both are house museums and exhibitions. They're absolutely gorgeous. If you ever could attend an exhibit in one, I saw the Yves Saint Laurent exhibit in the Grand Palais a few years ago. It was absolutely magnificent. The space is magnificent, and every exhibit they house and host there are fantastic.
Well, it has been a marvelous trip to Paris, albeit short, on the plane, heading back home, and it's been a pleasure to have you along with me on this very short trip to France. Let's do it again, maybe in the spring. It's going to be 40 degrees Celsius, 40 here today, so maybe a good time to be on this plane. So thank you for tuning in. Cheers.